Okay guys, ever wanted a way to pair real customer testimonials with the exact product they're talking about? Well, this section makes that connection feel genuinely credible. Today we're adding this testimonial with product section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Testimonial with Product Number 1. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Testimonial Product, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. Right now, the product and a few other elements aren't showing yet, since those are all currently disabled. First, there are 3 different layout options. You can use whichever one you like. I'll go with the first one for now. Below that is the heading, where you can add whatever text you'd like. Honestly, this one already looks pretty good to me too, but just to show you how it works, I'll change this to App Link in Description. Below that is the width, already set to max, but I'll still turn on the max width toggle. Right below that, there's padding for all devices, though there's no real need to change that. After that come this section's overall colors, which I'll adjust based on my own preference. Below that, you'll find text sizes for both mobile and desktop. I'll increase the heading size a bit right now. Scrolling down, you'll find a few optional elements too, like quote marks, an accessibility icon, and a discount ribbon. You can easily turn these on if you'd like. Right below that are the ribbon settings, though I won't be editing those since I'm not running any discount offer right now. Now let's close this and click on Any Testimonial. Its settings open up on the left side too. In the first box, there's a heading, and below that, 2 similar name fields. But first, I'll add a product I want to showcase here, like these shoes, and then paste a review for it. You can also add a brand name or something related to that product. I'm adding Nike here just for reference. I'll go ahead and prepare all the testimonials the same way, one by one. Once you're done with all that, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.